Can you see yourself in the 2021 Nissan Titan? With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's an all-powerful Nissan Titan, the full-size pickup that's refined on the inside and rugged on the outside. Connected tech, potent towing, beefy payload capacity, and driver assist safety features let you tackle every challenge with confidence. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, backup camera, satellite radio, bedliner, keyless start, blind spot monitor, Bluetooth connection, steering wheel audio controls. You don't have to give up comfort to get capability. This luxurious Titan offers the best of both worlds. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.